Would you like some guidance on identifying and discussing the key accounting drivers for your firm? In this video, we will look at the key accounting drivers for Ryman Healthcare. The key drivers of your firm's past economic profit or abnormal operating income are return on net operating assets, cost of capital for operations, weighted average cost of capital, and net operating assets. The two key accounting drivers of return on net operating assets are profit margin and asset turnover. The key accounting drivers of your firm's free cash flow are operating income and net operating assets. What is driving or causing your firm's economic profit and free cash flow over the past 4 years to be at the levels they are? If your firm's economic profit and free cash flow are negative or positive, what is causing them to be negative or positive? If they are large numbers, what is causing them to be so large? If they are small numbers, what is causing them to be so small? If they changed a lot over these years, why did they? If they stayed much the same, why was this? Ryman Healthcare has a strong return on net operating assets over many years. This has been mainly driven by a strong profit margin, slightly offset by a low asset turnover. And there has been a strong growth in Ryman's net operating assets, with impressive growth rates of 15 to 30% over many years. This strong growth in net operating assets has been a significant contributor to the growth in Ryman Healthcare's economic profit. A key driver of the strong growth of net operating assets for Ryman Healthcare has been its strong sales growth, generally between 15 and 20% each year. This has been supported by a steady decrease in Ryman Healthcare's asset turnover over the past few years. Ryman Healthcare has three main types of revenue and income: care fees, management fees, and fair value movement of investment properties. Ryman Healthcare has experienced strong growth in each of these. Care fees have been growing by 10 to 20% each year, management fees by about 15 to 20% each year, and fair value movement of investment properties by about 15 to 25% each year. So revenue or sales growth has been the primary driver of growth in Ryman Healthcare's net operating assets. Yet we know these various accounting drivers or numbers are not really driving the performance of Ryman Healthcare, but are themselves merely passengers on the journey. See the video on tips on economic and business drivers, where we will look at the economic and business drivers of these accounting drivers, the real drivers of our firm's business performance.